Our clients reduce insurance costs with PosiTrace AI dashcams.
An accident lawsuit can cost $27 million, even when your drivers did nothing wrong. Without video evidence, you pay for crashes you didn't cause, and your insurance stays high. One false claim could cost you thousands. PosiTrace's AI-powered dashcams help you qualify for immediate insurance premium reductions. Many insurers offer discounts when you install dashcams as they demonstrate your commitment to safety. Plus, HD video protects your drivers from false claims, and AI alerts help prevent accidents. You can also add additional cameras to gain full visibility of every angle of your operation. AI alerts help prevent accidents in real time. Forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and distracted driving detection protect your drivers before incidents happen. The safety dashboard automatically detects events and shows you when something occurred, who was driving, and key details. When incidents occur, HD video shows exactly what happened from both the road and driver view. Share video evidence with insurance companies to exonerate innocent drivers and avoid premium increases. Customers see up to 20% fewer accidents, and many report lower insurance premiums. The safety improvements often pay for the dashcam system, making it a smart investment that protects your drivers and your bottom line. If there are other angles you'd like to monitor during each route, PosiTrace makes it possible to integrate additional channels inside or outside the vehicle. PosiTrace gives you video evidence, accident prevention, and proven safety results that lower costs. Trusted by companies across North and Latin America with great customer support. Book your demo today.